Okay guys, we'll be working on how to run or present a logo on in form of 3D and some other presentation. So as such, you must already have your Photoshop installed because we are going to use Photoshop as our software. So to get started, you have to first run your Photoshop. You run it by double clicking yes. You give it some little time to load. Okay, this is my Photoshop. So now to get started, you must already have your PSD files. Photoshop are saved in PSD file, that is Photoshop document. And to get started with this, you must already have downloaded already made mockups. You can get that from Zippic, from Google. You can Google and get more of that if you want, but I will be giving you 30 mockup files as such so that it will enhance you and to help you. This was created from scratch, and as such you can do the creation as well, of which that promotes creativity very well. And as such, in a situation whereby you are still trying to create yours from scratch, you can make use of this for convenience sake and to ease your time. So first, once you are on this working area, the first thing you need to do is to locate your file at the left hand side. You can see file, you click on file, you can see open your file. Once you open the file, try to locate where the PSD file is. So mine is on the desktop. I will locate it here on the desktop. Okay, this is the zip file, so I'll right click and open, so that I'll select the particular mockup I want to. Okay, seems it wants to extract it, so let me extract and see. Okay, it has extracted up to 10, so let me just pause it and get the ones extracted done. Let me work with those one. Okay, it seems not to have extracted. Sorry, let's go back and extract the files on normal basis first. Okay, this is the zip file, and on these zip files are okay. Let me extract to desktop. You can see they are extracting. These are the Photoshop files. They are extracting gradually, and I'll have to get them up to 10. Sorry, up to 30. I told you I will be giving you access to 30 PSD files. These are 30 PSD files I've already worked on for your convenience, so you can allow it to load. While it loads, let's get back to work. Okay, let's now work with one of it. First, let's verify to see the particular logo we'll be using. So these are the different logos. This is one. This number 1, this is 2, this 3, this 4, this 5. You can check any one and click on the number. You can decide to say, okay, let me select this particular number, or any number if you are good to go with. You can decide to choose any one. It has been done and worked upon already for you. So let's go now to our Photoshop and open a file. Let's choose a number. These are desktop, and these are the extracted Photoshop. So let's pick this first. one and see what comes up. You open it. You give it time to load. Once it's opened, the next thing to do is you look to your right hand side. These are layers. They have been designed already. So all you need to do is locate where you see this your logo here. You can see this your logo here, and this is a smart object thumbnail when it comes to Photoshop. So all you need to do is to double click on this. Double click on it. You see, you OK it. This is where you'll be placing your logo. So let me deactivate the already one by clicking this. You can see the eye. Once it clicks, or you can delete. Then the next thing is, let's place a logo on it. For those who are convenient with Photoshop, who knows how to work very well with Photoshop, you can decide to create your own designs using Photoshop straight, and it gives you that. But for someone who is not used to Photoshop, who wants to be running 3D designs, you can use your CorelDRAW to design the logo, or use any format to design logo in a PNG file without background. Then you import it here. So now if you have your logo already designed, how do you get to import it? You click on this file, you click to where there is place, make use of place. You make use of place, then you search for where the logo is, where you have the logo installed. So if peradventure this is a logo, you click on place, it will be placed automatically. So in trying to drag it, make sure you click on Shift and before you drag, so that you give same alignment to all the edges. So after this, you click on enter to place it. It has been placed. Then the next thing to do is to click on save, Ctrl S, save. Once you do that, once you click Ctrl S and it's saved, then you'll discover that it will be replaced on this particular working area. It's already updating the smart object that we just saved. So you'll see that this logo will disappear and you have your new logo installed. You can see. Imagine if this was a logo, a PNG file logo, this is how it will present. Likewise, all other PSD files. So now let's get to see how we'll work on a logo using another format on the next video.